How to fix and solve the Duolingo animation problem. Hello everyone, it's me Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix and solve the Duolingo animation problem. So someday you might be using Duolingo and there might be some animation problem on Duolingo. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can solve it. Just long press on the Duolingo, tap on app info. On the downside, you will see there is the option of clear data. Tap on clear data and tap on clear cache and also clear all the data right there. After you do that, make sure you have given all the permissions to Duolingo right there. If you have given all the permissions as well and clear data as well and still it is not working, then the next thing is that you can check the storage of your phone, because sometimes your phone might be hang and the apps might not use because the storage is too high on your device. So if it is very high, then try to uninstall other applications and go on the Google Play Store and again update and install the Duolingo app, log in and see if it works or not. But if it still does not work, then again long press on it, tap on app info, and now what you can simply do is force stop this. So we cannot force stop it like this, just long press and you might see the option of force stop right here, right? So if you see the option of force stop, then do force stop and again go on the Google Play Store and open your Duolingo app from there and see if the animation is working or not. If it is still not working, then you can simply go on the help on the Duolingo. Just tap on your Duolingo app. On the top right side, you will see the setting option. Go on the report a problem and report a problem that you cannot see the animations on Duolingo. And then Duolingo might give you a feedback after a few days. And that's how you solve your problem. Hope this video helps you. If you like the video, then please do hit the like and subscribe button and also comment in our comment section below.